Kuppet air fryer contains up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods without losing the delicious tastes and crispy textures. Rapid 360 degrees air circulation cooks your food more quickly than ovens and with a minuscule amount of oil compared to deep-fried foods. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. One-touch LCD panel. You make the selection, and the machine takes care of the calculations. Choose between 7 presets for simple cooking. Number 2. Non-stick basket. The basket's non-stick surface results in less residue left behind. It's also dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Number 3. A great gift. Give the gift of flavor. Kuppet stainless steel air fryer makes a perfect present for friends and family. Number 4. MultiFunction air fryers. 7 presets menu: French fries, steak, shrimp, bread, chicken, bacon, and seafood, with a temperature range of 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Kuppet air fryer allows you to grill, bake, fry, and roast books at your will. Number 5. Stainless steel body and non-stick basket. Deluxe brushed S housing, fingerprint resistant. The fryer's beautiful surfaces remain smudge-free even after regular use. The square design basket allows for a larger cooking capacity than round ones, which can fit a 5 pounds to 6 pounds whole chicken. Stainless steel body guarantees durability and no odor smell during cooking. Number 6. Safe and easy to clean. ETL listed, BPA free, FDA compliant, and featuring auto shut-off protection. The air fryer is just as safe as it is healthy. The removable non-stick coated basket are dishwasher safe. Product dimensions: 15.3 by 12.4 by 12.4 inches. Basket dimensions: 9.8 by 9.4 by 6.7 inches. Number 7. Holiday gift. Provide healthier fried food, which makes it a great choice for Thanksgiving Day and Christmas Day. 1-year warranty. We will provide the perfect solution and service if you need it, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.